in the accident?
From what I gathered is she rear-ended him because he was sitting at a light that was green, and then and I'm trying to talk to and just calm her down.
Yeah. Officer, I have to go!
You can't leave yet. Don't leave!
I'm in the middle of an order! I have food in my car! I have food in my car!
You need to calm down.
I have food in my car!
Ma'am, you need to calm down.
I have food in my car!
Stand over here.
Leave me alone. Babe, you need to get here. You need to get here.
You can go.
Here now!
So what happened?
The light turned, there was a car in front of me, and all of a sudden I got hit from behind.
Okay.
And then I pulled over here.
All right. What's your information here?
I'm in front of Picket Safe.
Kayla, what
Get
happened?
here now! These cops are pissing me the f*** off!
Kayla, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
No!
All right, Kayla, you're going to be detained. You're going to be detained.
Stop!
Why are you running away?
Right! He wouldn't f***ing let...
Hey.
There was a green light!
There's
And he didn't go!
an accident. Why are you yelling? Why are you freaking out?
Because I'm in the middle of work!
Okay, well, you're not going anywhere.
I'm not going
Chris,
anywhere!
get over here.
I'm not going anywhere! You need to get here now. These cops they're pinning me to a corner.
Ma'am, we're trying to gather information so we can get you out of here.
I'm in front of Picket Safe.
Okay? Kayla.
My car is
Kayla.
My car is I need to see if it's gonna start.
You're not starting your car. No. You're not getting in the vehicle.
I'm not.
Not getting in the
Can you start it?
You're getting detained.
No, please. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Please get here, please. The cops are trying to arrest me.
Kayla, we're not here to arrest you. Kayla, can we sit over here, please?
Please, no.
Kayla.
Get here now, please.
We just have to conduct
Get
an
here
accident
now.
investigation, okay?
Get here now.
This could be solved very
Off. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
leaving. Kayla, get out of the
I
street.
didn't do
Get
anything.
out of the
I
street.
didn't do anything wrong. Fuck! I'm in front of my car. My life is over. Why
Let's
did
just
you
gather
go?
up the information and get out of here.
It was green.
Kayla, you have to do an accident investigation.
Marshfield 111, are you able to handle this?
Oh no.
Kayla,
Oh no.
calm down.
Oh no. Oh no. Please, can you see if it starts for me?
Kayla,
Please,
we can see if it
see if it
starts.
starts.
Yeah, we can do that.
Transport is done. He is handling
Mom, I just got into a car accident. My car's fucked.
Kayla, it's okay. It's okay. Is it leaking anything?
He had a green light. He wouldn't go.
Hey, Kayla, do you have insurance?
Off.
Okay.
My car is fucked. I'm fucked. Oh my God. My God. This car is perfectly fucking fine now.
Kayla, it's
Oh
okay.
my God.
It's okay.
My car is rolling. No, it doesn't matter. My car is rolling. My car is
It looks drivable, Kayla. It looks drivable.
My car is rolling. Stop. Why are you laughing?
I'm not. Really not too much. Okay. You can have a seat in your truck. I'm gonna give you a card and get you out of here.
I'm done. This is insane.
Kayla, your radiator's fine.
Up. Yourself.
Your radiator's
Slit your
fine.
wrist.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh my God.
Your radiator's not
Shut
pressure.
up!
You should be able
Shut
to drive
up!
it. You're not leaving.
The light was green! It was green!
We just gotta get some pictures.
No. No.
Well, there's no damage to his, it doesn't seem like. There's just damage to yours.
Yeah, I know. Great. Funny. Great. Get away from me.
This is how an accident is.
Don't talk to me!
Kayla, why are you
Don't
freaking out?
talk to me!
Why are you freaking out?
I'm so f***ed. I'm so f***ed. I'm so f***ed. I can't fix this! I can't fix this! Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't fix this!
Kayla, get out of the street.
No!
Get out of the road! Get out of the road!
Leave me alone!
Get out of the road!
Leave me alone!
I'm not gonna leave.
Get the f*** out of my face!
If you keep yelling,
Leave me alone!
listen, if you keep yelling,
I
I'm
don't
gonna hang
care! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
It's a pretty simple accident investigation.
Off!
up. Get-
I'm not doing
No,
anything!
you're not going on the road.
I'm not.
You're not gonna go on the road.
This is insane! This is insane! I can't believe it! Ah! F*** you! You guys are f***ing pricks! No! 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 No!
Okay, do you want to tell us what happened?
No! The light was green and he didn't go!
You want the case number?
Yourself.
You have her current information?
Do you have insurance?
I'm not giving you anything.
Do you have insurance?
I'm not giving you anything.
Alright, well, we'll just give her a citation for no proof of insurance.
Okay, give me
That's
a citation. I don't care.
Fine. That's fine.
What am I getting a citation for?
I already explained it to you. I'm not going to sit here and debate with you.
I have an insurance card.
That you told me, you just told me that I should myself and you. That's what you told us. You have insurance, you were involved in an accident. You need to provide insurance.
I don't have the information.
Then who is it, Kayla?
I don't know.
Okay. Would you like to give it to us at some point? You want to tell us what happened?
The light was f***ing green and my tires are rolled and I slid into his truck.
Oh, that's more of an explanation than I got.
Can you come off the road?
No, I want to get f***ing hit by a car.
Why?
I'm f***ed.
Why? It's an accident.
I can't afford to fix this.
You probably don't have to fix it that much.
You guys are f***ing straight up f***ing stupid.
Okay. I'm not going to put up with that. We're done. I'm not putting up with that. You can call Officer Berg tomorrow and let him know who your insurance is.
No,
Okay, well then you will be cited for that.
that's fine.
Okay.
I don't care.
You can go through a red light. Oh.
She's going to get another crash.
So she rear-ended the car.
Yeah.
So that ticket and then no insurance. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Easy enough.
My goodness.
The next day, an officer reaches out to the victim who was in the truck about giving Kayla additional charges.
So, like, prior to our arrival, how was that other party's behavior, I guess?
You know, I couldn't move because of the car in front of me, and she ran into me, so then I pulled her. There was no place where we parked.
Yeah.
Then she was, like, ready to leave.
Yeah.
She was like, she just wanted to leave, so, and then she got really hysteric, and then...
Okay. You know, do you
She
feel like
just-
yesterday, like, her behavior caused a disturbance?
Oh, yeah, she was yelling on the sidewalk, yelling, and I was the cause, you know, top of her lungs. She was freaking out.
Yeah, that's, I know that's a bit much to have to deal with, you know, especially for...
It's a minor accident.
Yeah,
you
it
know,
was a minor accident. Doesn't seem like, you know, there might have been some paint scuffing, but it didn't look like there was much damage to your vehicle. Did she, like, make any, like, sort of threatening statements to you or anything like that as well, or just yelling at you?
Just a lot of yell. I don't think it made threatening, you know, to me, but...
Okay. Yeah, because, like, ultimately, you know, her behavior, how she was acting yesterday, we had sort of discussed it a lot. I know it was towards the end of the day and towards the end of our shift, but, you know, ultimately that was extremely unacceptable on her part. So I will be charging her with disorderly conduct for that. You know, it's not something you should have to deal with for an accident, and that's not the way not a proper way to behave for something that was basically similar to hitting a deer,
Yeah,
So.
And I question if she was on something, that was towards the end of it, thinking, but.
Yeah. No, I've had a couple of contacts with her before, and that seems to be pretty much in line with her normal behavior, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so sometimes she gets like that. I just wanted to make sure that, if we were going to pursue charges against her, that, you felt that she had caused a disturbance, which I think everybody in that surrounding area certainly did, so.
Well, yeah, she was running around and...
All right, well, thanks for talking with me. I just wanted to reach out to you and make sure that would be appropriate, so.
All right, well, you have yourself a wonderful day, and...
Yeah, you too. All right, take care.
Kayla was cited for driving too fast for conditions, in which she was determined guilty and was ordered to pay $136.60. She was also cited for following too closely, in which she was determined guilty and was ordered to pay another $250. She was also cited for operating a motor vehicle without insurance, which was dropped, indicating she has insurance, but was too belligerent during the incident to provide it to the officers. Finally, she was later cited for disorderly conduct, in which the status is unknown. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.